Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to our next sketch in the series, which is going to be Chapter 2, Hands-on Test Drive 2. As always, make sure that you have your settings in Solidworks set to millimeters, grams, and second. We are going to begin this sketch in the front plane, so I'm going to open my sketch, and I'm going to go to my line drawing tool, and I will start from the origin. I will draw out horizontally about 300 millimeters. And let's do this. There we go. So about 300 millimeters here, give or take. Then we're going to go vertically up about 60 millimeters. And come over horizontally about 40. We're going to go into our radius tool here. And we want a radius of 30 millimeters. And then we're going to draw over about 80. And then we will draw vertically up approximately 20. Then we're going to go back into our radius tool. And we are going to do a radius here. We want to make sure that we get these horizontal relations locked in. And then we are going to click. Oh, I did not come over enough on here so you can see. I've got a little bit of a crooked line, but we're going to fix that because I'm going to click on that line and I'm going to add a vertical relation right there. And I'll click, and then next thing I want to do, just to make sure that I have those locked in, I'm going to make those horizontal like so. All right, so now to our Smart Dimension tool, and we will begin dimensioning our part. Come down here, this is going to be 300 millimeters. Our next line is going to be 60. Next line will be 40 millimeters. We have a radius for our arc of 30 millimeters. So we're going to make this 80. Right there. We will dimension this to 60. Oh, what's going on here? Let's go ahead and dimension that then to 80. And we are done. Fully defined sketch. Everything is done, so we'll go ahead and save this one. Again, this will be Chapter 2, Hands-on Test Drive 2. Hands-on Test Drive 2. We're going to go ahead and save that one. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, leave them below. Hit me in the classroom, and I will see you on the next video.